It's my job and my role to recruit and hire the best tutors in the country, and then to train them to be the best tutors in the country as well. I also take the role on of creating resources and providing our tutors with the support they need in order for them to be successful. There are a lot of challenges that come with the exam. A lot of these students either have not passed before or are not in the score range that they want to get to. With that being said, looking at a lot of experience and taking tutors with a lot of experience, these tutors understand the challenges that are associated with these exams, and they also understand how to prepare better for them. So not everyone is preparing as well as they can for these exams, and our tutors can essentially tell you how to. So I think the advantages of utilizing one-on-one tutoring is really priceless. Throughout medical school, you pretty much never get one-on-one tutoring. From large lectures to maybe small groups of 10 to 12 people, you never ever get a one-on-one experience or one-on-one attention. The benefits of getting one-on-one attention is everything is personalized to you. So we recognize now that everyone is different, everyone has different challenges, and everyone has different strengths and weaknesses. By getting one-on-one attention, we're able to deliver the most personalized and effective information and advice, which is going to be specific to each individual student. Time management throughout medical school and the board exam preparations is always very challenging. We recognize that students have a lot of demands for their time, both personally and professionally. We at MedSchoolCoach recognize that, and we can help you make a plan that is going to be specific to you and tailored to your needs. This can be a month-to-month plan, this could be a week-to-week plan. We can even give you a daily plan. So what am I going to do Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday for every single day and every single week leading up to your exam? Our tutors will spend the time just to talk to you and understand your needs and understand your time commitments.